Ever wondered why a cast iron skillet is a staple in every kitchen? Its versatility and durability make it a trusty companion in culinary adventures. From frying to baking, this pan can do it all. And with the right care, it's a legacy you can pass down through generations. Now let's delve into how to properly use, clean, and care for this kitchen essential. First, understand the skillet. Heat it slowly and add oil to prevent food from sticking. A cast iron skillet isn't just a pan, it's a multi-generational culinary companion. To harness its full potential, preheat it gradually. This even heat distribution is the secret behind those perfectly golden brown pancakes. And don't skimp on the fats or oils. They form a natural non-stick surface that makes your cooking a breeze. Remember, controlling the heat is paramount. Too high, and your food may burn. Too low, and it might undercook. With these tips, you can cook almost anything in your skillet. After cooking, cleaning your skillet is crucial to maintain its longevity. Start by cleaning the skillet while it's still warm. Warm water and a non-metal brush are your best friends here. Avoid soap and harsh scrubbers, as these can strip the skillet's seasoning. Once the skillet is clean, it's essential to dry it thoroughly. Any leftover moisture can lead to rust, which is a cast iron skillet's worst enemy. Remember, a clean skillet is a happy skillet. The final step is to care for your skillet, which means seasoning it regularly. Seasoning your cast iron skillet is more than just a one-time affair. It's a ritual, a dance if you will. It involves applying a thin layer of oil, then heating it until it smokes. This process not only maintains the skillet's non-stick surface, but also prevents rusting. It's like feeding a good friend. You want to keep them happy and healthy. The more love you give to your skillet, the more delicious meals it will help you create. With proper care, your skillet will serve you for a lifetime. Now that you have the know-how, it's time to put it into action. Let your culinary journey begin anew with your cast iron skillet. Remember, it's not just a cooking tool, it's a lifetime companion. So cook, clean, care, repeat. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and visit us at culinarycrossover.com for more cooking tips and tricks.